Hi there, good morning. I see that you're looking at the Okeli circular chandelier. I just got mine in and I think that this is going to be the perfect addition to our living room. I'll show you the light that we're replacing. We're gonna put it right above me. So I just wanted to show how it came in the package. So nice and protected so it didn't get damaged. It comes with a screw and washer set. And then on the inside here, I'll bring it a little bit closer. This is the mounting brackets for it. So these go on the ceiling. This is the cover piece that we'll see from the ceiling. And then the adjustable hangers. So let's go ahead and get it installed. This is the light that we'll be replacing. Right, we have the top brace installed. This is the ceiling piece with the adjustable panels. And then I just wanted to show you the light up close. So it is glass frame with LED lights inside. And then you can see it's kind of like a brushed black wood look to it. So here it is. We're gonna go ahead and put it up now. One thing I want to mention too about installing is that this is going to be on a slant. That's why I love the adjustable cables, that we can pull one a little bit tighter and have it lay flush so it doesn't have to be at an angle. Just another point to consider.
Nothing this is super simple. You just have your cables. I accidentally overpulled mine a little bit, but you literally, it's got like a little nipple on the end. You just push up onto it, it releases, and then you just feed it right into itself. And then you're just kind of repeatedly doing this until you're getting the level that you're going for. This side closest to you. Let's use one finger, it's very, very easy. You just pull your cable, and it literally locks immediately in place.
So I hope that my review is helpful for you. There's so many options with this light. It can fit so many different spaces. If you ask me, I highly recommend it. Take care.